This is the breakfast table, and Christina is going to explain what everything is.
Hi, good morning. So, you got coffee, like you can choose decaf coffee and
That's decaffeinated coffee, she said.
yeah, decaffeinated coffee and regular coffee. It's like 3-in-1, so you got the sugar and milk in it already. Some tea, jams, two kind of jams, butter. It's like a creamy chocolate, cereal, chocolate, you can make chocolate milk from it, milk and some bread. And you can toast the bread.
An instant hot water heater.
Yeah.
And her little boy just came in.
Yes, my boy.
Say hello.
Say hi.
What's his name?
Daniel.
Hi, Daniel. Okay, so this is the rest of the kitchen. And breakfast is served. 8 to 10. Thanks, Christina.
Oh, you're welcome.